Hey everybody, welcome back to the Dirty Pat Walsh channel here on YouTube with me, your host, Dirty Pat Walsh. So I just wanted to, as you can see from the photos I showed you, I have a few old antique Underwood typewriters, and I've gotten them all relatively recently. The first two that are on that little semicircle table. That's a table my son built for me. That's pretty cool. But both of those typewriters, I bought them. They were very cheap, and I bought them thinking, okay, well, maybe one of them will work, but more thinking they'll look good on that table, So, but anyway, one of them actually worked for about 15 minutes, and it gave me the bug. So I had to find a working typewriter, and I found one. This has all happened so quickly on Facebook Marketplace. I found one, and it said it's in working order, and said it was in working order, good condition. So I set up a meeting with the person, and she came over to meet me in my driveway yesterday, and I tried out the typewriter. I checked all the keys. They all work. They all fire off. And yeah, it works. And the reason that this is important to me is because I'm going through a kind of a phase right now where I'm trying to get back to the foundations of where I started with music and writing and such. And, I've been relearning a lot of my old songs. I appreciate it if you like them or have something to say about them. I really appreciate your comments and hitting the buttons. You know what I mean? But yeah, not many people seem to be watching them. I don't know. They don't have a lot of views, but it's all good. It's just what I do here. And so yeah, I've been trying to relearn a bunch of my old songs, and writing. Like, I've always been a very avid writer. Like, I write a lot, and I always, like, from when I was a teenager up until probably when I got divorced, I did all my writing on a manual typewriter. My main typewriter was a portable Smith Corona, but I had a number of other typewriters as well. But yeah, like, and because it just inspires me. Typewriter, like the sounds it makes, like the you get. Oh, I got some key stuff there. You get a rhythm going when you're typing. You got the swoosh of the return. The bell on this is pretty weak. Let's see if I can get it to pop off. Yeah, that was it. It's just a ding. But yeah, anyway, old manual typewriters are like playing an instrument to me, and I just get inspired. Like, I write a lot of just off the top of my head poetry, right? And that's how I get songs, and that's how I put together more serious pieces of writing. Is like the first thing you got to do is write if you're going to be a writer, and not everything that you write is going to be polished perfect the first draft, right? Like you usually start somewhere and then work at it and work your way up to the finished product, which is what I do. And yeah, having a typewriter to do all that on is just way more inspiring than sitting with my notepad and a pen. Because my I get my hand gets tired from writing, and I have horrible handwriting, and it's just not as much fun, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to show that off. All right, God bless you all. Be well, stay free, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.